Hi everyone, I'm Neeraj Srivastav. I'm going to demonstrate my project, which is skin cancer classification using convolutional neural network. As you can see here, there are 9 different types of skin lesions or skin conditions that I have mentioned here. And the objective of this project is to build a deep learning model that can predict the skin lesions. Now, among these 9, melanoma is the most dangerous form of skin cancer and is potentially life-threatening if discovered uh, late. Now, other ones are non-cancerous, but can quickly lead to becoming melanoma form of cancer, or it can be problematic for the health condition. But then this data set I got is from International Skin Imaging Collaboration through Kaggle, and I experimented with multiple models like Simple CNN, DenseNet, ImageNet, and Inception model. I also tried synthetic data generation technique called SMODE. Out of all of these experimentation, DenseNet turns out to be the best performing model. So I'm going to be testing the predictions using the DenseNet model. So README provides all the details with regards to all about my project. Specifically regards to how do you even go about testing the model. So I'm going to grab the piece of code that I'm going to use to now test the model. So let's go ahead and add the section to test. So this case, I'm actually importing the predict image and the load model function from predict skin lesion Python file. And then I'm loading the model. As I mentioned, DenseNet model performed very well. So I'm loading that model. And then here is the image that I'm using as a single test data. I'm going to be testing it multiple ones, but for now I'm going to start with one of the image, one of the class called Nevis, and those classes are here with their test data in it. So I'm going to be testing with the class Nevis, and the file is 008, which is here, and then performing the prediction. So let's look at this image first. Okay, so this is that image which we are trying to predict as to what class it belongs to. So let's go ahead and run this code. So it started running. It's kind of slow, maybe due to my machine or the model itself, but it takes up to 20 to 21 seconds to make the prediction. Yeah. So as I mentioned, the input image was Nevis, and it actually accurately predicted almost with the accuracy of 95.20%. So let's test a couple of more images here. Now let's try melanoma, which is actually cancerous form of skin condition. So let's try with 002. All right. So it didn't make the accurate prediction. In fact, it found the input image to be of type melanoma, but it actually ended up predicting nevus and melanoma only 5%. And that's one of the problem, right? Because this model only accuracy is only 44%. So let's try with another one here, and let's test with this one of these images. Let's look at 29 maybe. Yeah, so that's the image. So let's go ahead and try to test with 29. Okay, I think I didn't change to melanoma as the folder where the file resides. All right, so let's look at the results. Yeah, so it actually accurately predicted with a 49% accuracy that it is melanoma. Nevis came very close. So which is great. I mean, this is how the model performs. This is how we can accurately test it. I hope you like the demo. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.